Hi, my name is Serena Mooney, and I'm a second-year medical student at the Brody School of Medicine.
Hello, my name is Karen Semaan, and I'm a second-year medical student at the Brody School of Medicine. As Albert Schweitzer Fellows, we created a holistic program called Fortifying the Fourth Trimester to help postpartum women in Greenville, North Carolina achieve health and wellness. We partnered with the Maynard Children's Hospital and the ECU OBGYN department. In the first phase of our project, we taught physical skills by offering free infant and child CPR and choking rescue classes. We held weekly, socially distant classes for pregnant and postpartum women and their families. We had 106 participants over the year, and 95% of these participants demonstrated competence in their CPR skills and increased confidence in performing these life-saving measures.
Second phase of our project, we provided mental health tools through patient education via a virtual peer support group. The virtual platform allowed new moms to stay safe with their newborns at home while being able to share their experiences. We provided 6 patient education sessions alongside a marriage and family therapy student. In our pilot group, 2 out of the 3 women had no change or a decrease in both their postpartum depression screen and stressor score. Our projects will be sustained by the new co-presidents of Happy Hearts, a medical student organization. We'd like to thank our mentors, Dr. Jill Sutton and Ms. Angela Still, for their unwavering support this year. We would also like to thank Ms. Deb Pomeroy and the Brody Clinical Simulation Center for their advice and assistance. None of this would have been possible without the support of the Schweitzer Fellowship and Ms. Barbara Hefner. Thank you.